The goal of building our pool was to create an outdoor living space. Some of the challenges that we face with this project are the result of us living on a tidal marshland and the effects of the intercoastal and the tides coming in when there's a nor'easter or during the time of the year when we have to face king tides. The many contractors we had to deal with came together and helped build this beautiful project for us upon completion, but by far the best contractors we had to work with were with Rockaway, who designed not just the bulkhead to suppress the worries of the tidal, but a beautiful view that we are able to enjoy as a result of their project being completed.
And one thing that stands out working with Rockaway is their customer service. You know, working with contractors, sometimes there's delays, you don't know what's going on with your job. Well, not with Rockaway. Not only did I get daily updates with the full status report and pictures, whenever I had a question, I could reach out via phone, text, email, and they would get back to me right away. After they got back to me, then they would also follow up with an email saying, in follow up to our conversation, this is what we discussed. They answered all my questions promptly, and as they were out here, if any way they could help, they would. For example, we unexpectedly had some bad freezes and a lot of our plants in the front died, and these were the plants that they were going to move around for us just to restructure the front. Well, since those plants died, they dug them up and then replaced them with some nice Florida-friendly plants. So we really appreciate them going above and beyond to help us as homeowners, and again, providing the customer service that really exceeded my expectations.
And with any project this size, you always have changes that you want to make as it progresses. They didn't frown upon us or look down at us because we were asking them to do something different. They simply updated their plan and came through with us, and now we have this beautiful outdoor living space. Goal has been reached.